education. It is the soul of a culture and the identity of people. A very pleasant morning to our respected Director Sir, Honorable Principal Ma'am, our esteemed dignitaries, parents, teachers and all my dear students. With great pride and immense joy, we have gathered here today to commemorate the 212th birth anniversary of Adikavi Bhanubhakta Acharya, the pioneer of Nepali literature, and to pay our heartfelt tribute to his extraordinary contribution to the Nepali language, literature and culture. As Adikavi Bhanubhakta beautifully said, Janmabhumi Swargya Banda Pani Mahan Hunsa, which means one's motherland is greater even than heaven. These timeless words remind us to cherish our motherland, preserve our language, and take pride in our rich literary and cultural heritage. With this, we would like to inaugurate our ceremony by lighting of the lamp. With great reverence and enthusiasm, Bhanu Jayanti celebration, let's begin this celebration with the ceremonial lighting of the lamp, symbolizing the dispelling of darkness and illumination of knowledge and wisdom. May I request our respected Ma'am, Mrs. Jyoti Lamudukpa, and our Honorable Principal Ma'am to come forward and light the ceremonial lamp. Let us all join your hands and clap for the ceremonial lamp.
उपस्थित हुनुभएका आदरणीय निर्देशक महोदय, प्रधान अध्यापिका साथै सम्पूर्णलाई हार्दिक स्वागत जनाउँदै अब हामी सरस्वती वन्दना प्रस्तुत गर्न लागिरहेका छौं। हजुरहरूले यसको आनन्द लिनुहोला।
the Ramayana from Sanskrit into simple Nepali, making its teaching accessible to the ordinary people. His remarkable literary creations include the Nepali Ramayana, Bhaktamala, Badhu Siksha, Prashnottar, and the famous poem Ghasi. These masterpieces continue to inspire readers with their simplicity, wisdom, and moral values. Bhanu Jayanti is celebrated with great pride and enthusiasm by the Nepali-speaking community across the world. It is also widely observed by various educational institutions. In the same spirit, we, the Sacred Heart School family, also celebrate Bhanu Jayanti every year to cherish, preserve, and promote our rich language. Bhanu Jayanti is not only a celebration of a great poet, but also a celebration of Nepali language, literature, and culture. As we honor this enduring legacy today, let us draw inspiration from his life and continue to preserve, promote our rich linguistic and cultural heritage. I now invite our students to present the recitation of the verses from the Ramayana.
साथै विद्यार्थी साथीहरू सबैलाई स्वागत जनाउँदै अब हजुरहरूको अगाडि रामायणका केही श्लोकहरू प्रस्तुत गर्न गइरहेका छौं। प्रस्तुत श्लोकका पहिलो पंक्ति र दोस्रो पंक्ति श्री बालकाण्डबाट, तेस्रो पंक्ति श्री अयोध्या काण्डबाट र यसै गरी चौथो, पाँचौं अनि छैटौं पंक्ति श्री सुन्दरकाण्डबाट लिई आज हामीले हजुरहरूको समक्ष प्रस्तुत गरिरहेका छौं। हजुरहरूले यसको भरपूर आनन्द लिनुहोला।
क्या सोचौ तिमी सोधा भन्छु म पनि, मूर्ति भए थियो जसै ब्रह्माको करुणा बुझेर ऋषिले दिदी गरायो तसै। हे ब्रह्मा जति शुभ सबै सुनिरहेको छु, बाँकी छैन तथापि सुन्न अहिले इच्छा म यो गर्दछु। आउलाञ्च भयो करिब खतमा, सब पापनी तरका निष्कामतिमा गए। यो खान्या बेला मुकन त मिल्यो राजजनको, भरतले राज पाया यही बसी गरौँ राजजनको। खुसीसित म जान्याछु वनमा, म चाँडै फिर्याछु, बिरान होस् कति वनमा। दक्षिणतर्फ मुख गरिकन कुदन बस्दा, ऊपर नजर दिए अघिका दुई पाउ धस्ता, सोझ गरिकन घाँटी उद जसैता, वायु सरी हुन गया हनुमान जस्तैता। आकाश मार्ग गरी कुदेर हनुमान उड्या
Greatness lies not only in wealth or status, but in living a purposeful life and leaving behind a meaningful legacy. I now invite the student of class 5 to recite the poem Khasi, which will be followed by a group dance of class 6. Please encourage them with a round of applause.
अध्यापिका तथा गुरुजन लगायत सबैलाई नमस्कार। आज भानु जयन्तीको उपलक्ष्यमा हामी 5औं श्रेणीका विद्यार्थीहरू आदि कवि भानुभक्तद्वारा रचित घाँसी कविता वाचन गर्न गइरहेका छौं। घाँसी वर जन्म घाँसतिर मन्दी धन कमायो, मागे पछि रहोस् भनेर गुवा खनायो। घाँसी दरिद्र घरको तर बुद्धि कस्तो, म भानुभक्त धनी भइकन आज यस्तो। मेरो इनाम त सतरपाटीकै छन्, जे धन र सम्पत्ति छन् सबै घरभित्र नै छन्। त्यस घाँसीले आज कसरी दिएछ अर्थी, धिक्कार हो मकन बस्नु नराखी कीर्ति, धिक्कार हो मकन बस्नु नराखी कीर्ति। धन्यवाद।
May I now invite class 6 students on the stage for the dance performance.
तर यो आज मैले के देखे ससुराकी छोरी 5 घर देखे। ससुराकी छोरी 5 घर देखे। बहिनी बस्न लाग्यो भर दिउँ कि भने जस्तो घर भएको भर दिउँ कि बहिनी लड्न लाग्यो भर दिउँ कि भने जस्तो घर भएको भर दिउँ कि
आज भानु जयन्तीको यस शुभ उपलक्ष्यमा म वंशिकाङ लिम्बू नवौं श्रेणीको विद्यार्थी हजुरहरूको सामु आदिकवि भानुभक्त आचार्यको जीविका लिएर उपस्थित भएको छु। कवि भानुभक्त आचार्यको जन्म नेपालको तनहुँको रामखा गाउँमा 13 जुलाई सन् 1814 मा भएको थियो। उहाँले आफ्नो बाजे श्रीकृष्ण आचार्यबाट नेपाली साहित्य, व्याकरण तथा संस्कृतको ज्ञान हासिल गरे। भनिन्छ उहाँले घाँसीको प्रेरणा पाएर कविता लेख्न आरम्भ गरेका हुन्। उहाँले आध्यात्म रामायणलाई नेपालीमा अनुवाद गरी सम्पूर्ण नेपाली समाजलाई राम जस्ता आदर्श पुरुष चिनाउने महत्त्वपूर्ण कार्य गरे। साथै सम्पूर्ण नेपाली समाजलाई एकताको सूत्रमा बाँध्ने काम पनि गरे। नैतिक पतनतिर लागेका नेपालीहरूलाई नैतिक र आदर्श शिक्षा दिने काम पनि उहाँको रामायणले गरे। उहाँको रामायण अनुवाद नै भए तापनि यसमा नेपालीपन पाइन्छ। हुन त कवि भानुभक्तभन्दा अघि पनि अरू धेरै कविहरू थिए, तर उहाँको लेखहरूमा जुन नेपालीपन पाइन्थ्यो त्यो अरू कसैको लेखहरूमा पाइन्थेन। त्यसैकारण उहाँलाई आदिकवि पनि भनिएको हो। उहाँको केही प्रकाशित कृतिहरू हुन् वधु शिक्षा, भक्तमाला, रामभरत संवाद, प्रश्नोत्तरीमाला आदि। यसरी आफ्नो सम्पूर्ण जीवन नेपाली भाषाको उत्थानमा लगाउनुहुने कवि भानुभक्त आचार्य सन् 1869 मा यस संसारबाट विदा हुनुभए। तर उहाँले रोपेको साहित्यको त्यो सानो बिरुवा आज एक विशाल वटवृक्ष बनिसकेको छ। यस्ता महान भाषाप्रेमी कविलाई हामी सबै आदर र मान गरौँ र हाम्रो नेपाली भाषालाई माया गरौँ। धन्यवाद।
Graceful movement and melodious folk song that expresses love, happiness and beauty of village life. This vibrant dance reflects the rich cultural heritage and joyful spirit of Nepali people. I now want to invite Serena and group for their dance performance. Let us encourage them with a round of applause. Want to invite Miss Myra Rai of class 10 for the recitation of the poem.
आजको भानु जयन्ती समारोहमा सबैजना उपस्थितहरूलाई म माइरा राई 10औं श्रेणीको विद्यार्थीद्वारा हार्दिक अभिनन्दन टक्राउँछु। आज असार 29 गते अथवा 13 जुलाई हामी सम्पूर्ण सेक्रेड हार्ट स्कुल परिवार सालैपछि भानुभक्त आचार्यको जन्मदिन वा उहाँले दिनुभएको अमूल्य देनहरूलाई हामी साझा गर्ने गर्छौं। यसै उपलक्ष्यमा आज म विराट र भरत बीच भएका संवाद सुनाउन लागिरहेको छु। भरपूर आनन्द लिनुहोला। यो राज्य गर्न कन योग्य को योगादिताया ही हजुरको हो, मैले त सेवा गरी बस्नु पो हो। छोरा हुनन् योग्य बहुत गरिनन्, सम्पूर्ण लोकको पनि भरिनन्। तब पुति छोरासित राज छाडी जानु असल हो त छँदैछ झाडी। बेला त यो होइन जान मनमा, मेरा त यही निश्चय हुन्छ मनमा। जाओ घरै फर्की सघाई जाओस्, मेरी मातासित रिस नआओस्। यस्ता प्रकारले गरी बिन्ती गर्दै आँखा भरी आँसु बहुत धर्दै रोया भरतले जब पाउमा गई। बोल्या प्रभुले पनि खुसी मन भई। हे भाइ गर्छौ किन आज जिद्दी, फिर्नु असल छैन र काम न सिद्धि। जान्छु म वनमा तिमी फर्की जाऊ, यो राज्यको काम तिमीले चलाऊ। रामले भनेकै मुनि वेश धर्नु, यही भरतले बसी राज गर्नु। भन्या पिताको जब सुन्न पाया, आज्ञा उसैले मन जान आया। आज्ञा उसैले मन जान आया। धन्यवाद।
ठेपाले जान सर ल्याएछ, ठेपाले जान सर ल्याएछ, ठेपाले कि ब्याडी ल्याएको छु मैले नदी साउनु है आपा
भित्र हुँदा शरीरित पुरै सिकाउँछु तामाङको दस्तुरले
भित्र हुँदा शरीरित पुरै सिकाउँछु तामाङको दस्तुरलाई
तप पाउँछु दुनियाँको सामु मन मिलिरहेको सानो भन्न
जम्बाहाई नाजुक कमर भाँचौँ डम्फुको तालैमा हाँसी मार
give a round of applause, big round of applause for our teachers. As it is rightly said that teachers inspire us not only through their knowledge but also through their talents. Thank you, dear teachers. Now I would like to invite our students for their group dance, Smriti and group.
Good afternoon and warm greetings to our respected Director Sir, Mrs. Jyoti, my dear staff members, proud parents, and my dear children. So today, we all had gathered here to celebrate the 212th birth anniversary of Adi Kavi Bhanubhakta Acharya. And about him, you have already heard from Miss Rubina, Miss Wangshika Hanglipu of class 9. So I don't have to say much about the celebration, why is it celebrated, or the life of Bhanubhakta Acharya. So this day is always celebrated with great joy, happiness, and this day is particularly to commemorate the contribution, the greatest contribution of Bhanubhakta Acharya towards our Nepali community, as you have already seen through the drama as well, that how he was inspired by Ghasi and he translated the tough Sanskrit language, which was very much predominant during that time, and only the scholars, the learned people could read and write in Sanskrit. And we all are also very much aware that Ramayana is actually written in the Sanskrit language. So in order to give the knowledge, the contents of the story of Ramayana, the different values, morals inside the story of Ramayana was written in a very simple Nepali language by him, so that even the commoners, they can recite the lines, the verses from Ramayana. And after his contribution, after writing and translating the Sanskrit Ramayana into simple Nepali Ramayana, he gave a great gift to our community. And because he had given this gift of translating the Sanskrit Ramayana into Nepali language, so that today even we are here, and the students, you heard the sloka, the different sloka and verses from the greatest epic of our country. Ramayana was spoken and was sung by our students because it was translated into Nepali. So children, I would like to say that Nepali language, our vernacular, our mother tongue is very important. These days, although we speak, we have depicted some of the Western education, some of the Western knowledge and the culture we have taken from them. But the fact is that we shouldn't forget our root. We shouldn't forget our own culture, our language. These are too important. Foreign language is too important for us, but at the same time, our own language is also very much important for our identity, because this gives us as a Nepali spoken community, which we all are, and we're proud of this. So along with this, I would like to express my hearty thanks to all the audience, including the parents and the small students who spared their time, who accepted our invitation of today's celebration and sparing their precious time and being the part of today's celebration. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone. And indeed, last but not the least, all the staff members, those who taught the different dances, dramas, poem recitation, and a great anchor, Ms. Bibika. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone.
We celebrated the birth anniversary of Adi Kavi Bhanubhakta Acharya, but also honored the enduring values of language, literature and culture that he had passionately preserved. May his life and works continue to inspire us to cherish our mother tongue, uphold our rich cultural heritage and contribute meaningfully to our society. On behalf of the school, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to respected Director Sir, Honorable Principal Ma'am, our dearest Jyoti Ma'am, and our distinguished guests, our dear teachers, parents, and all my dear students who contributed to make this celebration a memorable success. Thank you all for your gracious presence and enthusiastic participation. As we conclude today's celebration, I would like to leave you with a timeless quote. The greatest legacy we can leave for our future generation is not wealth, but our language, our culture, and our values. I repeat, the greatest legacy we can leave to our future generation is not wealth, but our language, our culture, and our values. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for your time. Thank you.